Hello friends, today I am showing you if your Outlook or your email is showing that you are out of space and you cannot send and receive your emails, how you can take backup of the emails in your computer so that you can save space on the server and then it will fix the problem of sending receive. So for example here, see when my mailbox it is not full, but in case your is full, then you cannot send and receive emails. In that case, I'll show you how to create a backup of your emails in your local computer for the future use. Click on the account settings. Now you will see your email is here if it is Microsoft Exchange or IMAP. In this way, the server syncs the data from Outlook to the server, and whatever on the server and the Outlook, they are always in the same condition. So if your server is out of space, your mailbox also here full, and once it is here full, you cannot do send receive. So you need one backup in your computer so that you can delete some files from the server to save the space. For that, you have to go to data file, click on the add button, and then you can choose a folder where you want to save your emails. For example, I am saving here in this one. I'll make it backup copy, backup email data, and then I will press OK. It will create one email in my list here, data list, and press OK. Once it is done, you select your inbox and then right click there and go copy folder. Once you copy folder, it will ask you where to copy the files. We have created this folder name, so either you press OK or you double click here, it will work. So now it will start copying this inbox to that new folder. Same thing you have to do with your sent items, because sent items also syncing with that server and they are also using lot of space. So I will do same thing here. I'll select this one, backup email data, and then it will copy. Okay, once the copy done, you can see this is my backup email data, and here you have inbox data, you have sent items data. Once you receive this data here, you can delete this emails from here and from sent items. So once you delete the emails, it will save space on server also.